Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with essentials. Confirm the app version, operating system build, and available disk space so you know the environment. Once done, backup settings and export the profile. This prevents loss while you change menus. Next, enable developer or logging mode to capture errors. This is why logs show hidden failures. Now open the menu component and reproduce the issue. Record exact steps and timestamps, because precise reproduction speeds diagnosis and avoids wasted trial and error. You now narrow down the cause by reproducing the failure while collecting logs and noting error codes with timestamps. This tells you where to look. Next, isolate modules. Disable plugins or extensions one at a time, because conflicts often hide in third-party code. Then test a clean environment, create a fresh profile or use safe mode, and compare behavior. Make sure to document differences. This shows whether the problem is configuration, corrupted assets, or a code regression needing a targeted fix. You apply the targeted fix based on your diagnosis. Patch the code, update or roll back a plugin, or adjust configuration values. After the change, verify the menu works across environments and user accounts, and confirm logs show no regressions. If things fail, restore the backup and use the fallback plan. Revert changes, run file integrity and permission checks, and re-examine logs for new clues. One key troubleshooting tip: if inconsistent behavior persists, test under a fresh install to rule out corrupted assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.